Today we're going to install the Cali Raised Overland bed rack. Alright, first thing you need to do is prep your bed rails by removing the little end caps, loosening up, and removing your tie downs. Alright, here's all the hardware that came in the box. We're going to grab these slot nuts and the hardware for those, and then we're going to slide them into the rails. So here's the hardware that we're going to use to hold the feet on. So go ahead and take two of these and slide them into here. You're just going to set the foot approximately where it goes and loosely bolt these in place. Okay, so now we are going to build these, which is going to attach the leg to the foot. All right, so you're going to loosely bolt it in like this. We'll tighten everything down later. Once you get all four of them in, then we'll put the crossbars on. Now you're going to gather 12 bolts, 12 washers, 12 nuts for each side. Okay, these T-slot nuts are going to slide into these rails. There are going to be 4 on the front and 4 on the back of each rail. And then on the inner rails, there's going to be 4 in each of those. So you should end up with this: 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and 2 here on both ends. And then we'll lift it into place. So once you lift it kind of up into place, you gotta finagle these nuts so they line up with the holes. It's not the easy part. And the trick is to do the outer ones first, then line up the inner ones. And when you're putting it together, put them kind of in the middle so that they don't get lost. It's easier just to do one side at a time. That way things don't shift around too much. Now the crossbars are loosely installed, and that extra hardware is on the inner channels. Now we're going to attach the side panels using this hardware. The side panels determine how far apart the 2 legs are. The final piece in the puzzle are these top rails. They sit on top of the rack, and that's what you bolt your rooftop tent or whatever you're bolting to the top of the rack to. The hardware simply goes through the rail and into the nuts that you pre-installed earlier. And now all the parts are bolted together loosely so you can adjust as you see fit. I ended up with a few extra washers at the end, so don't be alarmed. It's fairly simple. Once you got everything done, go ahead and tighten everything up. Figure out where you want your top crossbars to be, tighten those up, and you're good to go. The online instructions are not very good, so hopefully this video helps some of you with your installation. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Tacoma and overlanding related content.